पोस्ट पे देखा है. Tell me something. This is such a photogenic corridor entry. That was a part of the plan, right?
Of course, I mean every time we can't go out looking for pictures की view and like a nice spot to click pictures. तो हमने बोला घर पे ही कर लेते हैं. Any reel, anything that I need to make. That's just a corner. ये एक अलग corner हो जाता है. There's a light behind this जो कि हमने अभी on नहीं किया है. ये एक corner हो जाता है. So I love the curves here. I love the free flowing thing.
So the texture, there's a textured wall also.
Yes.
So you tell me, you had decided on this, like this was your plan, whose plan was it?
So most of the house is small, but this wall was my plan.
Oh, lovely.
Because I love the textured wall. So I love the beaches. So it's more like waves crashing on the sand. And I like the free-flowing feel of it. It just feels nice. It feels soothing.
Yeah.
Even here we have like a texture
Yes.
wall right here. These showpieces, this center table is all mom. And this is that one last look that I give myself before I head out and I say, मैं इतनी सुंदर हूँ मैं क्या करवाने. So that's the middle.
Auntie से मैं मिल लिया because I was sitting here for almost an hour now.
I know.
I was sitting with all of you.
Yeah.
Auntie को already I have told that I have got a house in Calcutta which I'm going to take help from Auntie for interior designing because now that we go inside and you get to see the whole house, you will understand why. So let's go. Thank you so much.
Let's go.
मजा आ गया मुझे तो ये घर देख के.
Here हम in a way ये passage break करते हैं.
जी. There's a
this
a clock.
texture and we have our clock right there.
Yeah.
And जैसे हम enter करते हैं, of course there has to be some positivity. So ये Golden Temple की picture है. So this is actually painted. This is not a picture, yeah. That's why it's especially from Amritsar, all the way from Amritsar. ये detailing and everything that you see, it's all a painting. And इसमें in fact शब्द भी लगते हैं with the remote. So सुबह 5 के बाद घर में शब्द लगते हैं.
मतलब सुबह the first thing that you wake up to is this.
Is this.
Wow. How deeply spiritual are you as a person? How deeply spiritual are you?
See, I'm 21 now. For the past 10 years, I've been celebrating my New Year's at Nanded Sahib Ji, at Hazur Sahib Gurdwara. And that's how we welcome the New Year's. At an age where, all my peers are busy making plans for trips and partying, I'm in the Gurdwara and I welcome it with Babaji's blessings. So I guess that pretty much says how much I have faith in the Almighty.
And ये switches किस चीज के हैं? But I can see like
the bar.
Oh,
and,
wow.
Yeah, and this is ये क्योंकि hands जोड़ने वाला sign. So we've customized the switches basically. You can always change it with an app and the colors also. कि red है तो मतलब on है, blue है तो मतलब off है. But I can always, if I'm in the mood to be pink, so I can make it pink.
What?
Yeah. So do you want to see?
Are you a technologically gifted person?
I am a technologically gifted
Clearly
person.
not.
And of course, because you're shooting content and a lot of times you're like, अरे ये frame ठीक नहीं है, lighting ठीक नहीं है. So everything in the house is automated. I can dim my lights from my phone. I can, just ask Alexa to do anything and she would do it for me.
Wow.
That's what happened.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then we enter पंजाबी के घर पे आए हैं और
Oh yes.
ये ना हो तो मतलब
और की.
मैं तो ऐसे पीता नहीं हूँ.
मैं भी नहीं पीती. मेरे dad भी नहीं पीता actually.
Oh, then who is this for?
This is just for aesthetics. And for the guests come कि of course relatives आ रहे हैं तो यार पंजाबी में ये होता है कि नॉन वेज और अल्कोहल ना तो मतलब खाते जा रही है.